Frustrated by the Ntdsmgr.dll DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To start fixing Ntdsmgr manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Ntdsmgr, the NT Directory Service Management Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of directory instance lifecycle operations. It acts as the foundational data link for administrative toolsets to manifest schema modifications and localized object management. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Ntdsmgr is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Ntdsmgr. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netssh space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type N.Ntsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Ntdsmgr. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Ntdsmgr. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Ntdsmgr remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.